Hello, my friends. Let's see what happens. This is my first live on YouTube, and I don't even have a good tripod now. Just trying. I'm just playing with my plants now, with my tropical plants, and I just finished to put a wire on my almost every plant that I have. This is an avocado. I actually bought a nice pots. Tomorrow I'm going to repot my plants in a kind of bonsai type of pots. So it's very difficult to find pots and it's very expensive. So I found these plastic, very cheap ones in Amazon, and I'm going to transfer all my plants, my little tropical bonsai type. Of course, these are not real bonsai, but they look quite nice, I think. So as you can see, some time ago I put the wire to give them some kind of shape. Let me close the curtain. So now I'm going to show you some of my plants, tropical mini plants or bonsai. So here we have some avocados. Hi, good morning in India. So if you have questions, please ask. I'm also playing with the seeds of the avocado, so I'm carving them to put a little bit of art on them and also in the pot. This one is going very well, as you can see, a little bit thick already. I'm just keeping a little bit of the wire a little bit long because of course these branches grow very fast during the summer, and we are in the summer now in the Netherlands. Let me see. This is one of my favorite now. This is actually grafted, also an avocado. This the originally, let me see, I also put the date here, is March. In March 31 I grafted, and I started to grow this seed the 15th of October last year. As you can see, looks pretty, right? Let's see what else. I have this variegated banana. You know, I'm a cute person. I like tiny cute things. Look at this beautiful variegated banana. And look at this. All in miniature. Thank you, Catherine from India. Thanks for joining. This is my first live. I don't even know how it works, so I'm just trying. So look at this banana, nice. Today I was working on my mango trees. You know mangoes from India. Ah, Kavisa, hello, nice to see you. Well, I cannot see you, but I know you very well. Yes, nice. So look at the mango. I have many today. Actually, I just finished. I was planning to do it on on YouTube, to the tutorial how to do it, but it didn't work. My live, because apparently it's not allowed anymore to do it from your phone. You have to do it from your computer if you want to go live. But at the end, I feel a lot of steps, and I managed to do it, but it was too late, and I was lazy. So I bought a lot of cable, soft cable, aluminum cable. It's very easy to fold, and it's not like the copper. So this is easy and strong enough to give a nice shape to the plants, like this one. Actually, I have a lot of mangoes now. Look at this. Again, I of course I should cut here the cable, but I just decided to keep it long because it's nicer like that. And also these plants grow fast now, so I will just use this. To be honest, this is just because I'm lazy with this. So more mangoes, mango plants that I grew from seeds of mangoes from the supermarket. Let's see how far they go. Here you can see also 29 of May. So this looks quite nice. I hope it's not falling. But here you can see the seed. And of course, I just use the cable to give them nice shape. Wait, I'm going to close the curtain again. Yeah, essentially I have many mangoes now. This was my work today. Just that's why I call this live wire, because I was doing this. So, and I have very strong plants outside, and for that I will show you what I bought. I also bought this super thick wire. So today we are going to talk about wires. This is for my plants that are thick. So usually for the bonsai work I use the size of the wire depends on the size of the plant, of course, the diameter of the stem. I use always a third of the size of the plant. So this one is also looks very strong, very thick. It is, but it's also soft. Look, so you can really put it around the stem of the plants. And I have many different sizes. So I think I don't remember exactly the diameter of this, but I just call it the small one. As you can see, very thin. This medium size. This is the one I'm using for the mangoes because they are still very small. And I have the big one among this one. So, for example, let me see if I have something like this. You see my finger? I should select a wire of the third of the size of this stem. So essentially this one is perfect. See? Also, when the plants are like these ones that are not really woody plants, it's better to use it double. So the plant is not going to break like this one. I'm going to show you. You see? Of course, it doesn't look super professional, but still looks okay. I want to ask you, what do you use for sterilization? Yeah, for the bananas. Let me see. Depends. If I bring the plant from outside, from the greenhouse or from the field, I cut the small piece of the banana, and then the first step is to drop it into Clorox. I don't know the name. This one. So I have it here. I forgot the name. Yeah, the bleach. The bleach. It can be commercial bleach, 1 to 3%. Drop it there for 5-10 minutes, and then you put it in alcohol, ethanol 70%, and then water to rinse, and then you can continue with the procedure of micropropagation in banana. Live chat. I want to see the messages. Yeah. Hi from Italy. Your work is so interesting. I follow you on Instagram too. Oh, nice. Thank you very much. I hope I am also following you. Greetings from the Netherlands to Giada. Is that your name? Giada or Giada? So yeah, indeed, for the micropropagation in banana, let me see because I cannot see the messages in the chat. Yeah, for tissue culture. So remember, bleach, 5 minutes to 10, depending of the size of the explant that you have. Then ethanol 70%, and then water. Thank you, Kavisa. I like that video too, and it's very interesting. I like it a lot because I'm actually using that technique a lot these days. I'm just doing a lot of that work at the lab at this moment. So we need to propagate banana plants all the time. I want to show you a little bit of the plants here at my place because I think it's interesting. So as you can see here, I have a small collection of bananas that I've been collecting especially from the garden center. So this one is not really a banana. It looks like a banana. It's known as the red banana, but it's a different type. It's called the Enset. You see, it's not very clear, but it's a little bit red. Here I have a Musella, which is also relative of banana. Is this one? You see, it doesn't produce bananas, but produces a very cool flower. Is this one here? The one you see here is a grand name banana. This is the type of banana that you can find in the supermarket. Well, here I have more dwarfs bananas. I have many bananas. So these ones are dwarfs. They have more than, I think, more than 2 years. Let me show you this one. Look, this one. It has 2 years and still little. Yeah, I keep them indoor even in the summer because the amount of light in the summer here in the Netherlands is extremely high, so it's not good for the plants. The bananas are from the tropics, so in the tropics we have only 12 hours of light, and here look, it's let me see, it's 20 to 10, sorry, to 9 at night, and look at that. It's like 3 in the afternoon. So it's too much light. It's also super warm sometimes, and that burns the leaves of the bananas. So I have, yeah, it's night. It's almost 9. So it's also for me difficult because I'm already living here in the Netherlands for maybe, let me see, 7 years, but still the summers are very difficult for me. And contrary to Dutch people, I'm always depressed in the summer because too much light. I cannot sleep very well because we have light until 10:30 at night, and in the morning around 5:30 is like a lot of light. So I use a mask to sleep in the summer. So let me show you more bananas. So these are my, how do you call these, terrariums? You know, I like a lot of artistic things. So in these small things, I'm creating kind of small movie sets. As you can see, this is King Kong. There is some little people here. Same here. This is my bonsai banana. I'm trying to look for a nice place for. You see, this has, I think, 1 year more or less. So in 1 year, in the normal conditions, one banana is already 2-3 meters high. This is a vanilla plant. Well, here I have a little greenhouse with ivy. which I'm also turning into kind of bonsai. Look at this, wait. Look at that. I'm essentially addicted to put wire everywhere. So here I have another banana. Another. Here I have some little jungles and small plants. This one probably is interesting for you. This is an hydroponic banana. So as you can see, I have some how do you call that, kind of substrate, but it's not soil, and just to give the plant some support. I need to find another way, but all these are roots that are in a media, essentially water and some nutrition. And look at that, it's extremely healthy. You see, it's even healthier than my other plants. It's growing super fast. Here I broke it the other day. The money plant. Yeah, this is an hydroponic banana growing on just water, not soil. This is a substrate that is not soil. It's kind of coconut thing. But the interesting thing is that, of course, I wanted to put real fish, but I was not allowed to do it, unfortunately. Some little bonsai. Here more. I'm also addicted to bonsai. As you can see, I try to turn everything into a bonsai. Lemon. And let me show you one more. One of my favorite plants and also one of my favorite fruits. Cocoa peat, yeah, indeed. So here you can see this super big plant. Look, my hand. Can you guess which plant is this? This is actually a tree tomato. Look at that. And here we have another banana. So those are the plants I have indoors. I have a lot of what's the name of that, orchids, but I'm not very fan of that. And now let's go outside. You will see, you will say probably that I'm crazy. Everyone thinks that I have too many plants. All the plants outside are bonsais, John bonsai, and plants that I'm turning into bonsai. Look at this. It's an ivy. I have acers. I have some pines here. I don't remember the names of everything. Yeah, true. Plants can never be too many. So yeah, it's kind of wet these days in the Netherlands. A lot of water. I'm just trying many things. Here I have one banana that I have outside because it was a little bit sad. So I put it here to get some rain, but I will put it inside soon. Here I have more plants, more avocados. This is the, I don't remember the name of this one, but it's growing very well. It's a tropical plant. Remember the albino avocado? It's not albino anymore. It's growing now with color. I just cut here to get more branches and make it compact. This is one of my favorite designs. This one here, as you can see, it has 3 different trees. Oak, this one I don't remember the name, another maple. The 3 of them are together in this nice, which is actually broken. I need to fix it. Well, I have more there, some little berries, tomatoes, more berries, they are growing there. This is another mango. No, this is an avocado. I just cut all the leaves and I cut here the branches. That's good actually to cut the branches because that promotes branching. As you can see though, that you see a lot of new branches will come, and this will make a small compact tree. This is waiting for some work. Grafted. Wow, three in the plant grafted. Yeah, this is something that I haven't finished. It's just one of my plans to make a kind of pond here with different aquatic plants. I just put them there, but probably this weekend I'm going to make something cool. Strawberries. And here I have mostly edible plants. So cabbages, something that I like a lot. Petersil. Do you like petersil? But there is something that I like more than petersil, and that's coriander. Coriander is the best. I love it. Here I have coriander seeds, but you know the flowers are the best to eat. I have thyme. I have chili growing here, and more coriander. More cabbages, I think. Pumpkins there. There are flowers already. And this was a failed experiment. These are Chinese cabbages, so the ones that are compact, but I think because of the weather, crazy weather in the Netherlands, they just start to flower, but I'm too lazy to cut them. So yeah, that was my experiment today, trying with lives in YouTube. My first time. I hope you like it. Oh wait, I hope you like it, and let me know if you like to know more about plants or bonsai or bananas. Just let me know and I will do another of these improvised lives. So yeah, thank you for your attention, for your time, and see you around. See you on my Instagram or Twitter or wherever. So thank you and bye bye. Yeah, bonsai mango. Yeah, that is the first time I'm trying, but they already look great. So I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to repot them. Ugh. I bought these cool pots type of yeah, sure. Next time I can give a short talk about bananas and the Panama disease, of course, no problem. I will do it. So yeah, thank you and see you. Yeah, you have to. I don't even know how to stop this. Let me see. Pin.